Debug docs. Please open your code editor as well.
Today we will learn basic of plugin. First we will see what is a plugin. A plugin is a package of code to extend the core functionality of the WordPress. For example, to get the email notification, to add the custom text after the post, to fetch the live API data, etc. Now we learn header comment. A header comment is information about the plugin in the main plugin file. It should at least consist plugin name. A plugin is created only with the header comment. Only the main file of the plugin can have the header comment, which looks like this. Now we read the hooks. Hooks are pieces of code which is used to modify the other pieces of code at specific points, without directly change the core files. If we direct change core files, it will create the issue in future. For example, if new update is released, so it will overwrite the code. There are 3 types of hooks, which are action hooks, filter hooks, custom hooks. We will read more about hooks in further videos. Now we read mainly 2 action hooks. First is activation hook. When a plugin is activated, the first hook is triggered is activation hook, where it runs specific functions such as default options, creating custom database table for plugin, or any other setup task. Another main action hook is deactivation hook. This hook is triggered when the plugin is deactivated. It is used to temporarily disable the plugin's functionality. If we reactivate the plugin later with all their previous settings intact. We will learn further about plugin creation and its related knowledge.